Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be installing a full interior protection kit by Xomzema. It's going to include floor mats, seat back protectors and a cargo area liner. Let's check them out. A big thank you to Xomzema for providing the products for this video. This kit contains 8 pieces in total, including floor mats, seat back protectors and a cargo area liner. They're made from a durable rubberized TPE material. These floor mats have high lips on them to keep snow, dirt, mud all contained within. They don't have any holes in them at all, yet they still clip into the Ford mounting points. The 4-piece seat back protectors just velcro onto the backs of the seats. And all of these pieces have the same consistent design throughout. The textured finish offers a lot of protection. And you still have access to all the factory tie downs and mounting points. The cargo area liner follows the same design theme. It has pre-molded areas for cutouts for the tie-down hooks in the back. The material is a little bit thinner than the floor mats and the rear seat protectors. So you have to leave them out in the sun for a little while so they'll return to their original shape. Installation is really easy because these are all just drop-in products. I've put a link to this kit in the description below. As you can see, these floor mats fit perfectly in both front and back. And being a one-piece rear floor mat, it completely covers the whole area. Even underneath the front seats. And moving to the front, if you press down on that circular area, they will clip into the factory mounting points. Again, on the driver's side, press down on those 2 circles and you can clip them securely in place. These even cover the dead pedal area. The seat back protectors simply velcro in place. Just take your time, line them up and press them down firmly. If you wiggle them back and forth, it makes the Velcro really stick down well. And repeat the process on the other side. And this just shows you've got no issues with the split fold seats. The cargo area liner just drops in place. As I mentioned, you still have full access to the factory tie downs. And the cargo liner follows the contours of the Bronco really well. And this just shows how the cutout areas line up with the tie downs. And the raised rubberized material is not only waterproof, it'll stop things moving around back there. And there's a nice cohesive flow with the design throughout. And the V-shaped notches on either side just help you lift it up for the underfloor storage. There you have it, another really easy install. I mean, literally they just drop in. They're contoured to fit the Bronco really well. The floor mats are incredible. I love them. I think they look fantastic. They're going to stop dirt, mud, snow from getting anywhere. They've got no holes in them at all, so they're really going to work well. The seat back protectors are a rubberized material, so they're going to be really durable as well. They look great, they fit perfectly, so really happy with them. The cargo area liner is a little bit thinner than I would like, but it's still going to work. It's still going to protect the area, it's going to stop things from moving around, it's waterproof, it's wipe clean, and it fits the area perfectly. The floor mats are incredible. I would buy the kit just for them. But overall, a fantastic kit. So if you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, maybe subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.